Page 257 and page 258, combining like terms and isolating a variable. The example, b divided by 3 plus 2b equals 5. Since we have a division and the 3's in the denominator, we're going to multiply 3, use the distributive property to multiply through the first binomial, and then multiply 3 times 5, giving you b plus 6b equals 15. b equals 2 1/7. So that's a simple example. Follow it throughout. Use the same type of example procedures to solve for page 258. The bubble refreshes the distributive property, which is exactly what we're using here. Great. Good luck.